Hi everyone. Today's topic is how technology can help us overcome shyness. Yes, first time I tried to make a phone call to order a simple pizza, I hung up like 2 or 3 times before finally getting through my order. My hands were clumsy and my heart was racing, and I had written down exactly what I was gonna say on a sticky note. It sounds ridiculous now, but for those who struggle with shyness, even the simplest social interaction can feel like climbing a mountain. I'm here today to talk about something that helped me and transformed my life. I can say that technology, rather than isolating us further, can actually become a bridge to help overcome social anxiety and shyness. And I'm here. I'm not talking about hiding behind scenes. I'm talking about using tech as training wheels to gradually build a confidence or to connect with others face to face. Let me take you back to the moment with the pizza call. Today, I can confidently speak in front of you. I'm using a mask, but it's for marketing purpose, and I want to be anonymous, that's why. But my journey from there to here wasn't straightforward. It was technology, the very thing often blamed for making us less social, that helped me find my voice. Shyness isn't just about being quiet or introvert. It's just paralyzing fear that makes your throat tightened. When attention turns to you, it's rehearsing conversations in your head that never make it past your lips. And it's wanting to connect but feeling like there is an invisible wall between you and everyone else. If this sounds familiar, I want you to know that you are not alone. And there are practical ways for this, and you can overcome this fear. Okay, so how exactly can technology help? Let me share some practical approaches that work for me, and I think countless others of you will also be beneficial from this. First, consider using an AI companion as conversation practice. You can take ChatGPT voice. It's a very wonderful chatting companion. Apps like Replica or assistant like ChatGPT can provide a judgment-free zone to practice social skills. There's no one to judge. You are talking to an AI, but the AI is so intelligent and so knowledgeable that he can answer anything or he can interact with you. So it will help you to gain practical social skills. I remember myself actually spending hours chatting with AI. Not hours. It has I used to have my free version, so minutes you can say. But small minute will accumulate into hours, and voila, you will have a conversation with a not person like person. Like a 1 hour conversation with a thing that has intelligent like person maybe. Okay, I trying out different ways to express yourself. It helps, and ask questions and practice difficult conversations. Let's say practice a job interview. You can practice your IELTS speaking test now. It's a very good way now. For example, before an important meeting, I would practice talking points with ChatGPT or Claude. I will write down all those things, and after that you can talk those points with the ChatGPT voice assistant, and ask for a feedback. I used to do it a lot about this thing. I like feedback on clarity, consciousness, whether I was sounds okay or not. That's all stuff. This helped me actually refine not just what I wanted to say, but how to say it effectively. Like voice notes have been another game changer, maybe. Instead of texting, try sending voice messages to friends and family. It will help you to break the wall. It's less intimidating than a phone call, but helps you get comfortable with your speaking voice. And I started by I used to send messages. Then I started with 5 seconds, 10 seconds, small. Okay, let's go to market. Let's go to that place tomorrow. This kind of thing in voice messages. It helped me to to build a conversation, overcome my fear of speaking in front of others. What else? Okay, you can actually, you can do? You can start recording videos yourself, just you and the video, 30-second videos of any topic. Like me, I'm talking about topics of various genres, what I know. It will help you. And eventually, you can actually share those videos with close persons, like your friends, like your parents, whatever you are, whoever you are comfortable with, or on private social media account where you know all the people. And finally, when you are ready, maybe 1 year, 2 year, sometimes for some guys or girls it will be quick. Finally, you will publicly upload your videos. Each step actually will build your confidence. For those who struggle with public speaking, like me, virtual reality offers actually real opportunity today, but it is expensive. But you can try. Apps like a virtual space, you will have realistic scenarios. And also there are some free job interview and conference rooms you can try, where you can practice presenting to virtual audiences. You can try VR. That's a way, but it is more of an expensive option for you. Voice AI as a speech coach will actually surprise you. You can record yourself, then use AI transcription tools to analyze your speech, your pace of speaking, and also if you after converting your speech to transcription, you can actually give it to any of the AI, maybe Claude, Grok, or ChatGPT, and analyze how you are talking, how is your communication skills, and how you can actually improve in that. Also, another interesting and good way, it's not recommended, but it's fun, is online gaming with voice chat feature on. So what happens is that you are in a scenario in online gamings where nobody knows no one. Of course, if you are playing solo. There, in many games, voice chat is very necessary. In that, you have to talk in a foreign language, not necessarily in your own mother tongue. So it will improve your foreign language skill, maybe English, or if you are chatting in voice chatting, I missed, in your native language also. It helps you overcome the shyness you're having, that stiffness you have in your communication skill. Another some language exchange app is there. I don't know. So this Tandem and HelloTalk pair, you can try actually. And the language, what these apps do, that they will give you an language exchange partner. You can have a conversation with them, stumble. You can both stumble, but you will learn eventually from each other. All those things. There is another option called audio only social platforms. You can try. Actually, I will not recommend, but there is an option that you will eventually go for a structured online courses, which can provide frameworks for developing social skills. I don't recommend paid courses because good. If you search in YouTube, you will have good courses where you will learn these skills. Whether it is communication skills on LinkedIn Learning or conversation techniques on Coursera, this provides like concrete strategies you can practice in your own time. So try those things. Like Pinterest will help you from posters, so you can learn actually good things about this to overcome shyness. The key to all those approaches is gradual exposure. The technology allows us to adjust the intensity of social interaction in ways that wasn't possible 2 or 3 years back. But now it's possible. You can start with text, move to voice, then video, finally in-person interaction. All at a pace that feels challenging but not overwhelming. So I want to emphasize that technology isn't replacement for a human connection, but it's a bridge towards it. Each of these two should be stepping stones, not final destination. Your final destination should be a real human person that you will interact. The goal is to eventually apply these skills in face-to-face interaction. That is very important. You have to have face-to-face interaction. Digital space is not your real space. In real spaces, people will be there. However you interact with your most advanced AI, something will be different in real life that you have to cope with. But these small steps will overcome your fear. More skills, more communication skills you will learn when you once you land into real world. Where the human connections, the richest human connection happens is in the real life. Thank you. And remember that a person who, I'm talking about me, who couldn't order pizza without packing last year, I'm saying about this thing. I'm talking in front of you. So if I can do that, good exposure to technology, you guys also can. Bye bye.